In this lesson, we're going to learn about the times of the day. Morning in Mandarin is
早上，早上，
How would you greet people in the morning? We usually greet people good morning in English. In Mandarin, we can say
早安，
or
早上好，
when you want to ask, have you eaten breakfast? You can say
你吃早餐了吗？你吃早餐了吗？
if you have eaten breakfast. You can reply with
吃了，吃了。
This is how you should ask people about the time.
请问现在几点？请问现在几点？
How to read the clock in Mandarin? First, we can describe the general time of the day. For example, a.m., you can say
早上，早上，
followed by hour. The informal way to read the hour is
9点，9点，
the formal way is
9时，9时。
Lastly, we will read the minute.
15分，15分。
Let's practice again the informal way which is commonly used.
早上9点15分，早上9点15分。
Formal way is
早上9时15分，早上9时15分。
afternoon. We say
中午，
when it's 12 p.m. to 1 p.m.
中午，下午，
means after 1 p.m. and before evening.
下午，午安，
Good afternoon.
你吃午餐了吗？
Have you eaten lunch?
你吃午餐了吗？
我还没吃，
I haven't eaten yet.
我还没吃。
下午3点30分有个会议。
There is a meeting at 3:30 p.m.
下午3点30分有个会议。
We also can say 3:30 p.m. as
下午3点半，下午3点半有个会议。
好的，
okay. Evening.
傍晚，傍晚，
Let's look at the daily conversation with our parents.
几点回家呢？
What time do you go home?
几点回家呢？大概15分钟后，
About 15 minutes later.
大概15分钟后，
Or
大概1小时后，
about 1 hour later.
大概1小时后。
If you know the specific time, for example,
傍晚6时，
6 p.m.,
傍晚6时，
night,
晚上，晚上，晚餐时间到，
it's time for dinner.
晚餐时间到，
爸爸妈妈晚安。
Daddy, Mommy, good night.
晚安。
Let's recap what we had learnt so far. Morning,
早上，
good morning.
早安，
7:35 a.m.
早上7点35分，
Breakfast,
早餐，
afternoon,
中午，下午，
good afternoon.
午安，
To 10 p.m.,
下午2点10分，
lunch,
午餐，
evening,
傍晚，
6:30 p.m.,
傍晚6点半，
night,
晚上，
good night.
晚安。
9:15 p.m.
晚上9点15分。
Dinner.
晚餐